Hello, beautiful butterflies. Thank you so much for joining me today on our warm-up flow. If you like to practice with music in the background, go ahead and check my description box. I'll always have a perfect song set out for you to listen to as we go about our practice. So go ahead and grab your mats. Let's hop on in and let's warm up together. We're going to start rooted in our strong mountain pose. So let's make sure that we're grounding all four corners of our feet into the mat, spreading those toes out nice and wide, feeling good in our nice foundation as we draw that energy up through the legs, lifting the kneecaps, engaging the thighs, the core, lifting the chest, and coming into a nice deep breath. Good. On our next inhale, we're going to go ahead and reach our arms all the way up. And then with our exhale, just let them gently float back down to our side. And again, big inhale. And exhale. Inhale. And with this exhale, pressing the palms together and diving it all the way down to our forward folds. Good. Start to walk out those legs or take any other movement that feels good with your body today. Keep that deep breath flowing and that body moving. With your next inhale, let's come to a halfway lift. And then exhale, fold, bend the knees, and slowly rolling it back up to our mountain. Inhale, reach up. Exhale, release. Inhale, reach it up. Exhale, release. And one more, reach it all the way up, pressing the palms together. Exhale, dive it down, forward folds. Good. Take any other movement that feels good. Maybe we want to try something else. So walking those legs, taking some pulses, grabbing opposite elbows, whatever you need to do today. Our next inhale will come to a halfway lift. Exhale as we start to walk the hands forward towards the top of our mat into a plank position. So we're really going to start waking up that core as well as the arms and into the legs as we teeter forward and back, finding movements. Deep breaths. And then as we exhale, walking back to that forward fold. Halfway lift. Exhale, walk it back to plank. Good. This time, maybe finding a different movement. Taking our hips side to side. And then we'll slowly walk it all the way back to that forward fold. Inhale, halfway lift. And exhale, you guessed it, walking back out to plank. Good. Hold it here. Feel strong in the body. We'll start to bring some gentle movement into this plank as we move through into our downward facing dog. So we're going to take our plank roll-ups, I like to call them. So we're going to come to downward dog. Let's find some gentle movement. And then with an inhale, we're going to roll through to our plank. Exhale, rolling back into downward dog. And again, rolling through into plank. Exhale, downward dog. Bring it back. One more time. Roll it through to plank. And back to downward dog. Beautiful. Let's go ahead and plant the left foot as we reach that right leg into the sky. Start to bend at the knee, and we'll bring that knee all the way through into our nose and then back out to our one-legged dog. Inhale, bring it in. Exhale, extends. Inhale and exhale. One more. Inhale and exhale. Good. Let's bring that leg through into our crescent lunge now. Reaching the arms up, holding strong in our posture, hips pulling in towards each other, And as we inhale, we're going to lift up all the way and then exhale, release. So inhale as we lean a little bit forward and then bring it back. Good, one more. Bring those arms all the way up and then coming to a gentle twist facing that right side. Inhale, release. Exhale, back up. One more. And then let's release that left hand to the mat. Reach up with the right hand into that twisted lunge. Deep breaths. And exhale, let's plant both the hands. Step back into our plank or waddling plank. Chaturanga. Inhale to up dog and exhale, downward facing dog. Good, walk it out. And then let's take it to the other side, shall we? Plant that right foot, reach that left leg all the way into the sky, bend at the knee, and going back into those crunches, we're going to take that knee in towards the nose. Inhale, exhale, three-legged dog. Inhale and exhale. Inhale, exhale. One more time, guys. Inhale and exhale. Beautiful. Bring that leg through. Coming up into our crescent lunge. Nice and strong in the legs, relaxed in the shoulders. Bring those hips together. And this time taking the opposite direction. So as we inhale, we're going to release the arms all the way forward into that lunge and then inhale to bring it back up. Moving it forward and back. Deep inhale and exhale. And then coming into that twist. So this time right arm reaches, come back up. Inhale, exhale, inhale, and exhale. Good. Let's reach that right hand down to the mat, coming into that twisted lunge. Deep breaths. Exhale, we'll bring that hand down to the mat, stepping back into plank or one-legged plank, chaturanga, into up dog on that inhale. Exhale to downward facing dog. Wonderful job, guys. Let's walk it out. Good. Let's take another deep inhale. We're going to start to bend the knees, look up towards the top of the mat, and take a hop or walk it up back into that forward folds. And then taking another round of movement here. So again, maybe changing it up, a new movement here to feel really good in that body, warming it up, taking that stretch. And then we'll begin to bend at the knees, pulling up into our chair posture. Good, so sitting back, making sure the knees aren't going over the toes and taking gentle pulses. Just making sure those glutes are warm and then folding back. And then root to rise, rolling it up. Inhale, reach the arms all the way up. And exhale, release down. Inhale, reach. Exhale, release. Inhale, reach it up. And this time taking a side body stretch. So pulling up the wrist, reaching up and over. Switching wrists over to the other side. And let's take that one more time each side. So grabbing the left wrist, pulling it over to the right. And the right wrist pulling over to the left. Good. Let's inhale, reach up nice and high, coming to that cactus as we exhale. So pulling up, reaching down with the elbows, pulling the shoulder blades together. Good. And then exhale, hands come to hearts. Big inhale, reach it all the way up. Get those knees into it, bend it down. Exhale, hands to heart. One more time, super big inhale here, reach it up. Exhale, hands to heart. Very good job, everyone. Thank you so much for warming up with me today. It was such an honor here doing this practice with you. So I hope you're warm. I hope you're ready to go about your day. You're feeling good. And with that, I will say God bless and namaste.